Dito lang po.
Saan ito? Hi guys! Sa mga kababayan dyan sa Pilipinas. Andito kami ngayon sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I am the newest ambassador for AirAsia.
Our new trolley bags. Yeah. What are we gonna do here, Miss May? Arianti?
We're gonna look like very hardworking people.
Yeah, we're gonna do the briefing for the new aircraft, certificates, work permit, and attestation card inserts. And she's gonna have her lunch also.
And you're gonna do your medical check.
Later, she will slide here. The salad bar. And this is the briefing area of the cabin. Why are you leaving your bag there? You don't have flight today, you know? Okay. Our pilots. And we're going to the CCE now. Oh no. It's my the grooming members. Are you ready for it, girl? So these computers do our sign-on. So this is the food in our office. Then you have to use your ID. Put your ID there, and it will have a balance of 10. Oh my god, so many. Such a big eater.
I haven't eaten since I was born.
Yeah. My god.
$2.
$2. Okay, our cake is here now. So here in the office we have this slide. So if you're in a hurry, you can just use this one. Asan na si Nate? This is the cafeteria area. And because I had breakfast already, I'll just have cake now. And Nate hasn't had anything.
Since I was born.
Only antibiotics. This cake from the office. The cake is given the foam, the mousse, but when you add the fudge on it, on top, it becomes sweet. This is the sweet part. Sweet and gooey. And this one's very plain, so it balances everything. What's so amazing about our office is that we can sleep in the office, right? Come in for a snooze. Really? Boss won't get mad. Really? Do you think the boss will get mad?
I am the boss.
You're the boss? Okay.
So this bed is made of leather.
You have to sleep first.
Okay. Just lying down first.
Bye, I'm gonna steal your camera.
After 10 hours, I'm back. AirAsia style.
So that's the mechanism to pull it here. So in the office we have a perfume for smelling. Every time a new staff passes by, they have to smell first before they can sign in. Right, before they can get the duty-free key, they have to spray. This is our grooming head.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice. Red and red.
Visually take.
For the first update, it will require like 5 to 10 minutes. Except that you have 2 new devices. You have your card reader and also the printer. Before this, you were using the one all combined, right? Here. So it's connected to the card reader. And then you scan again for the printer. Alright, and then you connect. And then you can just swipe the card.
So here's the top view of our office. We got another sleeping pod there. And that's the slide. The most exciting feature of the office. We have a gaming room there as well. And we have a gym on this side. Now I need to go for my medicals here in the All Stars Clinic. Even if you're like on day off, you can still do a lot of things here in our office. I want you at the gym. Push nga eh. Okay, so before you can go in, you have to log in first. Submit another response, then put your ID there and staff number. That's our gym. The IKEA part. IKEA. No, just kidding. Xbox. This is our audio video room. There's the gear. VR gear. Simulator. We have a PS4 in the office, as you can see there. Then you can play in these big screens, complete with speakers. We have karaoke as well if you want. Bean bags. You should use this machine. This will tell your future. I can tell you. Nice, you know. There's so many things to do. So nice, right? This is the 4th floor.
Well, I like a lot of self-help books.
Yeah?
Yeah, like whenever I feel like I have a problem, I consult a book rather than a person.
Oh, really?
I don't know, like
Wow. So what was your last problem?
guy problems.
Guy
And
problems.
I don't have that problem anymore.
And the book helped you?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, a lot of girls do that.
Really?
Mm.
Most of the girls I know don't read books.
Oh, well, you
Okay.
should hang out with
Tough
me.
question, tough
Final
question.
question.
Marlon or me?
Right now, you.
See you on the next AirAsia.
What's
Going
it
to
say?
nowhere. Or maybe we can put him on Richard Branson's rocket to the moon.
Oh, wow, no.
One-way ticket.
One way?
One way. Very
No.
generous airline.
Guys, it's great to be here. It's my first time in Malaysia. It's so great to be an ambassador for AirAsia. I actually flew AirAsia coming here. It was great.
She has to say that, but it was great.
No, it was really great. Like it was nice. And then so I'm really glad and I'm really honored to be part of the world's best low-cost airline for almost, I think, 10 years
Maybe 10
now.
years.
All right. And so anyway, I'm really glad to be part. I'm really glad to be here. And thank you so much, guys, for having me.
Thank you. Thanks for being here.
Alright, thanks so much, Pia.
This is our slide here in the office, which leads all the way down there. You can take it from here. Then, do you want? Take our video.
You want to go down?
We should try the slide.
I am afraid.
Can I help you?
Push you.
Oh my god, really? Okay, you push me.
Bye!
Oh no, I don't want.
It's exciting to go. Yay!